nagbibigay silbi ng walang kapantay. Sa puso't isipan, ikaw ay bituin, nagbibigay tanglaw sa landas naming pipiliin. Guro, aming tagapagturo sa buhay namin. Ikaw ang bayani, pag-asa't pangarap ay iyong hinubog. Pagmamahal mo'y di matutumbasan kailanman. Sa hirap at pagod, ikaw ay matatag. Tiyaga at pasensya, walang pag-iimbot. Bawat aralin ay may pusong kasama. Ang bawat payo mo'y mahal.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mom says. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom says. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom says. Teacher's Day, Mom says. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom says we love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom says. Thank you for all of the hard work you did on us and for teaching us. We love you, Mom says. Happy Teacher's Day again. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom says. I love you. Mom says, I love you, I miss you, I got you, thank you.